Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crypto Insider. We'll be talking about a long forgotten airdrop, Telegram airdrop, TapSwap. In this airdrop, as we all know, rode with the Notcoin wave at some point, and then Solana wave, and then Thorn wave, and then disappeared for a while, and then it's back. And they have an announcement for us. They have an announcement of their TGE date and updates and criteria to get their airdrop. So stay with me, watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications to get as much videos as possible. So this is the TapSwap X page. As you can see, some minutes ago yesterday they said it's just 16 days until TGE. If you lose track of time, don't worry. You can always check our website for the live countdown. So they added a countdown to their website, a new website, which we'll be looking at very soon, because the TGE is going to be on 16th. And they also said something down here. They said when it comes to token launches, timing is everything. By aligning with prime market conditions, we are ensuring TAPS gets the spotlight it truly deserves. Thank you for trusting the process. So I'm guessing that they have a very good technical analyst that probably knows when the markets will be all green for them to launch their token. This is their Telegram page, so they launch their website. So we'll be looking at their website. So you just have to click this link, and this is the all refurbished TapSwap website. So as you can see, it's really very beautiful. It says the world's first Web3 skill gaming platform. So this is the countdown. Start TGE, that's the token generation event, which should be happening in 16 days, 10 hours. That's, let me say, between 14th and 16th of February. So this is the global reach. 72 million total users, which I doubt. 3 million DAU, I don't know who that is. 10 million WAU. 6.3 million Twitter followers and 24 Telegram followers. 5 million YouTube subscribers and all that. So I don't know if you've abandoned the TapSwap airdrop. It's not hot if you reconnect again and farm it for this remaining 16 days. So I'll be refreshing our minds, our brains on what we need to do and the various criteria that is required for you to receive the airdrop. So I actually have two accounts. So I'll be showing us from two accounts, one successful account and one unsuccessful account. So this is the TapSwap mini app. This is my total. This is the points I have currently, 268.49. This number of blocks from building. This is the gems. This is the YouTube plays. So my level is Mystic. I've connected my wallet before, but I don't know why it keeps disconnecting. I'll connect it again. So you earn by tapping on this, and also by you have a bot. If you don't have, you can purchase a bot, so that you can always claim points whenever you. So you can always claim points whenever you are not actively tapping. Then we'll come over to tasks. So these are the various tasks we have to do. First is talk about the referrals. The referrals enable us to get as much points as possible. There are various leagues too. You know what it's showing. Then these are special tasks. So if you've not performed yours, just try to perform them. These tasks cost nothing. Then this is the cinema task, which you have to actually watch as much videos on the YouTube channel as possible. Then some videos I want to show us. This particular video you don't have to, you just have to click, then direct you to their YouTube channel. Then you can decide to watch everything. You can decide to just watch some minutes and then come back. This particular video doesn't have any code. Then but this particular video requires a code. So after watching, you wait for a while before you input the code. So my Telegram channel will be in the description, and I'll be sending a link where you can get every possible TapSwap codes, and also I'll be posting the codes daily on my Telegram channel from now till the TGE date. So that's it for the cinema task. So another aspect of this TapSwap is the Tappy Town. This game was introduced sometime last year. So this is the number of blocks I've mined. So currently my Tappy Town, I've maxed out all the houses, all the places. As in the max for each building is 20. So I've maxed out everything. So I don't think I can build again. But let me take you to my second account. So I'll show you how you can maximize and upgrade your town. This is my second account. As you can see, I have very few points and all. So go over to town. This number of blocks. So as you can see, I've not yet maxed out the buildings here. This is the worker. So you can, if you have enough gems, the gems is green. So if you have enough gems, you can purchase more workers so that whenever you build the house, whenever you pay for a house, it can help you it can help you with the progression a bit faster. So let's look for a house to upgrade. All you just have to do is to click. If you click on this tiles, this place is known as Tapflix. This is the name, Tapflix, and then it mines 2,430 blocks per hour, and then the building price is 10 cinema icons. So which means that for you to be able to build here, you need to have 10. You need to have watched 10 videos, have 10 cinema icons for you to build in this place. Now other places, something like this. Okay, here now this is the Beat Club. Mining rate is 1,510 per hour. Required level is monument to Toncoin, which is at level 15. Then for me to be able to build, I need to pay 7,396 blocks, which I have. So once you just click upgrade, it has started building. So you have an option to speed up if you have enough gems. If you don't have enough gems, you can leave it and come back in the next 4 hours. By then the building should be complete. So you have to keep doing it for all the buildings till it gets to 20 buildings. Till each of the buildings here gets to 20. That's the max. So you just have to, all you just have to do is just be coming back every 2 to 3 hours to claim blocks. Remember that blocks is one of the criteria for you to get as much allocations in this airdrop. This is the swap feature. Here we can swap your tokens. Like if your wallet is connected, you can swap your tokens, turn to USDT, and there are a lot of tokens here actually. There are actually a lot of tokens here that you can swap, tokens that are available in your Ton wallet. Majorly tokens in the Ton blockchain. Then accounts here, you can see your account progress. Is the referral link, is the number of referrals I have. This is the referral bonus. So this is it. Start settings. These ones are not really so important. So we'll go over to drop. This is where we'll see the criteria. So the criteria for the drop will be determined based on player activity, taking into account several key factors listed below, as well as additional considerations. We are also fully aware of dishonest players, and rest assured they will not be eligible for the drop. So you can connect your wallet. So I'll be connect any wallet of choice. Okay, I've connected my wallet already before, like I said. So this is my wallet. Then these are key points. These are points that will help you get as much taps as possible. So number of shares now is this value is number of shares, then number of taps. So I think the number of times you've tapped on this is number of taps. So even as much as you're using the bot to claim, endeavor to also tap whenever you are a bit free. Then leagues. So these are various leagues. Let's come over here. So I'm already in the highest league, that's Mythic League. So these are all the other various. So try as much as possible to claim points so that you can upgrade your league. Tappy Town achievements. Tappy Town achievements is this Tappy Town. So I've maxed out, or I've achieved everything achievable in this Tappy Town. So I've maxed out all my buildings. So there's still a bit time, still have 15 to 16 days. You can try to max out your own buildings and then come back to claim as much blocks as possible. Then completed tasks. That's this task here. Number of cinema videos you've watched is special tasks. You complete as much as you can since it's also part of the criteria. Then end blocks. These blocks are blocks earned from Tappy Town, which are these, which you have to come to claim 3 to 4 hours. Come and claim blocks. So these are the various criteria that we need to get as much points or as much shares in TapSwap. So if you've forgotten where your account is, you can try to bring it back, start again. Join my Telegram channel because I'll be dropping the codes to these tasks. I'll drop in a link where you can get every code available. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, I will be dropping the link to this TapSwap. If you've not joined before, the link will be in my description. Also, my Telegram channel link will be in my description. And therefore, to share this video, like. If you have any questions, you can comment. Then most importantly, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that I can get my videos whenever I post them. Enjoy. See you next time.